All right, so you've got a classic British or Italian bike. Somewhere along the way, someone has added a spin-on oil filter adapter because these bikes didn't come with it. The problem that you're having is that you cannot find an oil filter commonly available to fit this. So these were designed with a Citroen oil filter in mind, and I don't know about you guys, but in my neck of the woods, Citroens are not popular. No one's gonna stock a Citroen oil filter. So what do you need to do? Well, you need to convert it to an M18 1.5, which allows you to use a 3387A oil filter that's commonly available at any Walmart, any parts house in the United States. So what do you need to do that? Well, you'll need a M18 Helicoil. Now, I got this in a spark plug repair kit, part number 25644. I got this at AutoZone. The other two places didn't have it. And you want to look through here. There's going to be about 10 different ones in here, but you want to get the one that's the biggest outside diameter. It'll be obvious, and so that comes out to 17.25 on the outside diameter. And then what you want to do, take your oil filter housing adapter and basically spin that on. So you've got the same pitch threads, they're both 1.5 metric, but all you're doing is making the outside diameter big enough to now you can use that 3387A oil filter. So go ahead and break the tang off. So bend that a few times. Now I'm just using some needle nose pliers. Broke off pretty easily. Now, you've got that. Got your little adapter. Now you can just thread that on there, like so. Now, let's back it off. Turn. So, this is what you should have when you're done. See that? Now, if you go too far, this taper is going to start to push this bottom thread out. That's not good. So now, you could simply take your 3387A oil filter that's commonly available anywhere in the United States. And thread it onto your housing adapter. Now, how about that? A lot easier than hunting down some special French car oil filter or ordering one on the internet. There you go, guys.